Welcome to the Monday Assembly. I'm so pleased you're here today. I hope everyone had a good Easter because some of you took a little break from school side. But today, lessons start again when you can find them on the YouTube channels under the classes playlist, as well as you'll be able to pick up a packet from the front of school starting today. A new packet, Packet Work Pack 3. So, before we begin though, we need to think a little bit. This is this week's precept. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. This is a perfect precept, I think, for this day and age. All of us have our part to play. Right now, you staying at home and staying safe helps to be a thoughtful, committed citizen. You are helping the country and the world. So, this week's challenge, I know you want to know. And I've come outside because the challenge has to do with being outside and nature. Everyone should be getting out, either into their garden or going for a walk every day to help keep them healthy. The fresh air is good for you, and the exercise is as well. But while you're out on a walk, I want you to look for some interesting things that you find in the environment. It may be a stick, it may be a flower, it may be a stone or leaves or anything that is natural. And I want you to collect them in a bag, and then you go home, and I want you to make a work of art, a nature work of art. Here are some examples. Now don't forget, once you've made it, take a picture and post it either to your teacher or on Twitter at Newlands_PS, because we want to see it and we want to add it to our celebrations assembly on Friday. Now, before we end our assembly today, we need to make sure we thank all our parents and our carers for all the hard work that they've been putting in at home, and also to our teachers and teaching assistants that have been supporting us to create the lessons for your children. It takes all of us working together to make this happen. Together, we are stronger.